Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Raycast when the extension store is not loading. It can be pretty frustrating, but yeah, there are a few simple things you can try that usually fix it. So let's go step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. The extension store needs a stable connection, so try opening a website in your browser just to confirm everything is loading correctly. Next, restart Raycast. Quit the app completely, then reopen it. This helps clear temporary glitches that might be stopping the extension store from loading. Now check if your Raycast app is up to date. Open the top menu, click Raycast, then check for updates, and install any available updates. Keeping the app updated can fix many hidden bugs. If it's still not loading, clearing the cache usually helps. Open Finder, go to your library folder, then Raycast, and delete the cache folder. Don't worry, Raycast will rebuild everything automatically when you launch it again. Also, if you're using a VPN or firewall, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes these can block Raycast from connecting to its servers, which prevents the extension store from loading. And that's it. That's how you fix Raycast when the extension store isn't loading. Hopefully this gets everything working again and your workflow back on track. Hey everyone.